Welcome to our tutorial on how to view all comments you've posted on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Select Account Center from the options provided. Then, tap on Your Information and Permissions to manage your account details. Navigate to Access Your Information and tap on it to proceed. Select Your Facebook Activity to view your activity on the platform. Finally, under Comments and Reactions, tap on Comments to see all the comments you've posted on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily track and view all the comments you've shared on Facebook, helping you stay connected and engaged with your online interactions. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to view all comments you've posted on Facebook. Stay informed and organized with your online presence by accessing and managing your comments efficiently. Discover your Facebook activity and stay connected with your friends through meaningful interactions.